pen that you have? Do you have pens with you?
Yes.
Just check. Take it out. Fine. So, if I ask you to measure the length of the pen, what you will do? What you will use to measure the length?
Scale.
Scale. Do you have the scale? Take it out. Write down somewhere in the textbook with a pencil. If you have a notebook, you can write down in your notebook also. Okay? The length of the pen L is equal to length of the pen is equal to some x सेंटीमीटर इक्वल. ओके? x के जगह पे आपको वो नंबर डालना है, आपको भी मिल जाता है. ओके? Then what is the length of your pen? 14 centimeter. Okay, fine. What about you? 14 centimeter. So on an average it could be 14 to 15 centimeter. Fine. Now tell me the width of the pen or thickness of the pen. 0.5 y is equal to 0.5 what? Centimeter or millimeter? Huh? Centimeter. Should I write centimeter? Okay, what about that pen? 1 centimeter. Okay, so it lies between 0.5 to 1 centimeter. Okay, now if I ask you, can we be more accurate? Let us take an example. I will take this pen and it is same. Sorry, take and this scale. What do we call this scale? Meter scale. What do we call it? Meter scale. Okay. What is the largest reading on this? 15 centimeter. And the smallest? No, 0 cannot be the same. Something non-zero. 0.1 centimeter. So the least count of meter scale is how much? 0.1 centimeter. So 0.1 centimeter is 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So accuracy of a meter scale, what is the least count? 10 raised to minus 3 meters. 10 raised to minus 3 के आगे हम रीडिंग्स नहीं ले सकते because there is no provision over here. यहाँ पे कुछ provision नहीं है meter scale. And that's where this particular scale is helpful. This is called as a vernier scale. Okay. Now I am going to use this scale. What do we call this scale? Vernier scale. So this particular scale is called as a main scale. What do we call it? Main scale. And this particular window-like thing is called as a vernier scale. This is main scale. This is vernier scale. Okay. Now the main scale looks exactly like this 15 centimeter scale. No difference at all. In the readings I am talking about, not in the material. ठीक है, ये प्लास्टिक है, ये स्टील है, ऐसा नहीं. ओके, रीडिंग्स अगर आप देखने जाओगे तो सेम. ठीक है, ये भी सेंटीमीटर में है, ये भी सेंटीमीटर में है. ठीक है, दिस इज फ्रॉम 0 to 15, दिस इज फ्रॉम 0 to 12. Only that is the difference. Okay, so but this makes a difference. ये जो विंडो है ये डिफरेंस करता है. Now in this window there are 10 divisions. यहाँ पे क्या है? 10 divisions है. तो इस पूरे स्केल का अगर मुझे लीस्ट काउंट निकालना है, ठीक है, यहाँ तो हमने क्या किया था, जस्ट देख के हमने बता दिया किसका लीस्ट काउंट क्या है. यहाँ पे हमें ये विंडो को भी कंसीडर करना है. Now what is the least count of a vernier scale? इसका लीस्ट काउंट कैसे निकालें? तो इस मेन स्केल पर जो स्मॉलेस्ट डिवीजन है it is same as this one, 0.1 centimeter. Okay, divided by divisions on the vernier scale. How many divisions are there? If you observe 8, you will find 10 divisions in the vernier scale. So 0.1 divided by 10, what will I get? 0.01 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, देखो तो इसका लिस्ट काउंट क्या आया? 0.01 सेंटीमीटर और इसका लिस्ट काउंट क्या था? 0.1 सेंटीमीटर. तो इसका मतलब हमने एक और डेसिमल प्लेस पर इसकी एक्यूरेसी लाके रखी. अब हम 1 सेंटीमीटर वाला ये जो पेन था, इसका रीडिंग्स, इसकी थिकनेस हम 0.01 इतनी एक्यूरेसी तक लेके जा सकते हैं. लेट अस सी हाउ. ओके, कौन सा पार्ट हमने मेजर किया था? ये वाला. So with the help of this screw I can move this up and down. Okay, so let me see. Just you have to make sure that this I can remove it. Okay, you should not press it so much that I won't be able to remove that. इतना भी ज़्यादा जोर नहीं लगाना है. Only just slightly touch. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to check first main scale reading. Okay. So according to this, the main scale reading is 1 centimeter. Main scale reading plus I should find out vernier scale reading into least count. We have to use this formula. Okay, so main scale reading is 1 centimeter because this vernier scale उसके just पहले जो भी रीडिंग रहेगा वो हमें लेना है. तो इसके just पहले 1 सेंटीमीटर मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है, तो मैं क्या लिखूंगा इधर? 1. Okay, सेंटीमीटर plus what is the least count? 0.01 into vernier scale. अभी vernier scale पे हमें क्या करना है? You have to check where this division match exactly with the upper division. ये जो वर्नियर स्केल का जो डिवीजन है वो मेन स्केल के किस डिवीजन के साथ कोइंसाइड हो रहा है? You understand coincide? Coincide means one above another. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो सेकेंड डिवीजन है, ठीक है, that second division is exactly above another division. ठीक है, तो सेकेंड डिवीजन मैं यहाँ पे लिखूँ. ओके, वर्नियर स्केल का कौन सा डिवीजन मैच हो रहा है ऊपर के साथ? सेकेंड डिवीजन. इट इज एक्जैक्टली कोइंसाइडिंग विद द मेन स्केल डिवीजन. ओके, 1 plus 2 into 0.01, 0.02, and if I add this I will get 1.02 centimeter. इतने एक्यूरेसी तक मैं गया. ओके, सो विद मीटर स्केल हमें 1.00 सेंटीमीटर आ रहा था, 1.0 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, बट विद द वर्नियर स्केल आई कुड फाइंड आउट 1.02 सेंटीमीटर. सो आई वेंट अप टू second decimal place of accuracy. Now can I go more accurate? Yes, with the help of this particular instrument. This is called as micrometer screw gauge. You can simply call it screw gauge. प्यार से हम इसे क्या बोल सकते हैं? Screw gauge. ठीक है, fine. Now in this screw gauge again you have a main scale यहाँ पे अंदर. ठीक है, और इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ये हमारा वर्नियर स्केल है. इमेजिन करो. ओके, जैसे वहाँ पे एक विंडो था, यहाँ पे वैसे ये सिलेंड्रिकल स्केल. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कितने डिविजन्स हैं? इफ आई काउंट ऑलमोस्ट 100 डिविजन्स आर देयर. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द लीस्ट काउंट फॉर अ स्क्रू गेज? हैव यू रिटन डाउन? 1.02 centimeter. Just write down vernier scale reading of a pen thickness is 1.02 centimeter. Okay. Now we are considering micrometer screw gauge. Okay. Least count of a micrometer screw gauge. How will I find out? The smallest division on main scale, which is again 0.1 centimeter. 0.1 centimeter divided by number of divisions on the circular scale, okay, or vernier scale, whatever you call it. There are 100 divisions on it. How many? 100. So what will be this value? 0.001. So you can guess the accuracy. कितने एक्यूरेटली हम जा सकते हैं? अप टिल थर्ड डेसिमल प्लेस वी कैन गो अप टिल थर्ड decimal place 0.001 centimeter. Now if I want to measure a thickness of this pen, let us see what happens. Okay, again now here main scale is still 1 centimeter. Okay, so main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. Same formula we are using. 1 centimeter plus vernier scale. Least count is what? For screw gauge 0.001 centimeter. Okay, multiplied by vernier scale division. Now what we have to do? We have to check on circular scale which division is matching with the horizontal line. Okay, so if I can see properly, this is 22. Okay, 22nd division matches with the horizontal line. 22nd division from circular scale matches with the horizontal line on the main scale. So I will take 22 over here. So 1 centimeter plus 22 into 0.01. 22 into 0.01 is what? 0.022. Okay, and if I add it, what will I get? 1.022 centimeter. What was the reading with the meter scale? 1 centimeter. The thickness of the pen with the help of meter scale, this 15 centimeter scale was 1 centimeter. With the vernier scale, what was the reading? 1.02 centimeter. Am I right? 1.02 centimeter. And what value I got with the screw gauge? 1.022 centimeter. Circuit wonderful. We can go until third decimal place of the accuracy with the help of this small instrument with our hands. We don't need any microscope, any such high-end device. Such a small device, but we can make use of that. Okay, which our eyes cannot detect. Okay, third decimal place हमारी आँखों से हम नहीं देख पाते इतना डिवीजन. अगर इसमें होता भी थर्ड डेसिमल प्लेस तक बहुत सारे अंदर डिवीजन होते हैं, फिर भी हम ठीक से नहीं देख पाते. But with help of this device and this device, we can go more accurate. So accuracy plays a very important role. Okay, but does that mean that my reading is accurate? No, there will be errors, and errors will be an integral part of our readings. So we should not ignore the errors. It is just like giving exam. Okay, when we give exam, we are never 100% accurate. Even the person who gets 100 out of 100 is not accurate, because the person who checks his paper is not accurate. कुछ ना कुछ गलतियां हो ही रहती है. Okay, so teacher sometimes he, what you can say, overlooks the mistakes. Okay, not purposely, but it happens naturally. Naturally we are bound to make mistakes. So there are errors. So while taking readings also, we should mention the errors. So इसमें कितना एरर आ सकता है? इसका लिस्ट काउंट कितना है? 0.001. कितना एरर आ सकता है उसमें? Even if we try to do it perfect. Same with the vernier scale reading also. What we got? 1.02 centimeter. उसमें लिस्ट काउंट क्या था? 0.01 centimeter. तो उतना एरर आ सकता है रीडिंग में. ठीक है? और मीटर स्केल में कितना एरर आ सकता है? इसका लिस्ट काउंट क्या था? 0.1 सेंटीमीटर. तो 0.1 सेंटीमीटर का एरर इसमें भी आ सकता है. ओके, सो दैट मच एरर वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट दैट इन अ रीडिंग. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू टेक मेजरमेंट्स एंड व्हाट इज एरर? यू अंडरस्टूड? So let us stop here.